Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So today we're answering a Facebook question. The question somebody has posted is, how can we limit sub and sub-subcategories by membership level? Can a member be forced to choose from the sub-subcategories? So in answer to that question, the best that we can, to limit categories, you can do that when you go to finance and membership plans. When you open up a membership plan, so you edit a membership plan, you can go to the search tab when the page loads up, search visibility, and then you can scroll down and you can limit the amount of subcategories that somebody can select. Now this includes subcategories. So if you're using subcategories and subcategories, it automatically will select the subcategory when you check the subcategory in an account. So that's how that works. But you can control the limit for each membership plan just here. So you can add as many as you want. It might be 10 or it might be 20, and you can also put in the text unlimited in lowercase, and that will allow them to select unlimited amount of subcategories. So I hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.